Hello, my name is Javi and I'm going to voice this course by Carlota, illustrator and character designer. Thank you very much for enrolling on this course and I hope you enjoy it very much. Well, as you probably know, one of the things we're going to do is look for references and explain a bit more or less how the process of designing a character is in order to apply it afterwards to your own. We're going to create our own character to see more or less which are the steps to follow in order to create our own paper doll. Then we'll add those small details, use a color palette, and well, if you're into arts and crafts and into illustration, I think it's a course you'll enjoy greatly. I will also give little tips about the symmetry tool that Photoshop offers, and the last step will be to get the file ready. And that's pretty much it. As I said before, I hope you enjoy it a lot, and let's go for it.